Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I will tell you about Phantom Wallet in detail. So sit back and relax. So first of all, let's see how we can get Phantom Wallet on our device. So all you have to do is just go to Google and search for Phantom Wallet. You can search for Phantom Wallet on your mobile phone also by searching it up on Play Store or App Store according to your iPhone or Android device, and you can simply download it. And rest of the detail for Phantom Wallet will be same. So pay attention and watch carefully. So after searching for Phantom Wallet, click on download. And here you can see it is available for App Store or Play Store and also for different browsers. Let's get it for Chrome. Then click on add to Chrome. It will be added as an extension. And this is the screen you will see after getting Phantom Wallet into your device. So either you can create a new wallet or you can access your already existing wallet. So let's see how we can create a new wallet. Click on it. And here set a good password for your account security. Then click on continue. And here you will see a secret recovery phrase, and anyone with this phrase can access your account. So always try to keep it on an offline mode, that is to write it on a piece of paper so it cannot be hacked. And even if you forget your password and you want to access your Phantom Wallet on some other device, you can always use your secret phrase to access your wallet and the assets in your wallet. So after writing this secret phrase on a piece of paper, you can click on continue, and then click on finish, and it will appear in your extensions. Just click on pin so you can easily access it. And this is how you get Phantom Wallet on your device. Now let's move on with other options. So this is wallet 1, and when you will click on it, you can see your address. We will see how you can use this address of yours to receive crypto and send crypto. But first let's see how you can change the name of your wallet and other settings. So click on the top right corner of your Phantom Wallet on this W1 icon to be precise. And here click on the first option of your wallet. Then click on the 3 dots. And here click on wallet name. Then you can change this wallet name according to your preference. Then click on save. And this is how you can change the name of your wallet. And you can export your private key for your account. And here you can also see your secret recovery phrase that we saw while downloading it. All you need is just your password to access your secret recovery phrase, but make sure that you never share your confidential details of your account. Then go back. And here you can see address book. You can simply click on add address to save different addresses of different people or persons who you want to send crypto or receive crypto from. It is quite convenient in that way. You can also change the display language of your wallet. So choose according to your language. Then click on security and privacy. And here you will get the option to change your password, and you can also auto lock your wallet. That means that if you want to lock your wallet after 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours of inactivity. And here you can also see the option to reset your recovery phrase. And all the Web3 websites that you are connected to can be seen here on the trusted apps. Since I'm not connected with any Web3 website as of now, but we will see how we can connect with Web3 websites in this video itself. And on the developer settings, you can change your network whenever required. Currently we are on Solana network, so we can interact with Solana blockchain using our Phantom Wallet right now. And with lock wallet, you can lock your wallet up, and then you will be required your password to log into your wallet again. Now let's get back and see other options. And here on the bottom you can see 4 different options. Let's see what they are. So in the first one, you can manage your different tokens. Like if you want to hide all the tokens from this place, then you can click on manage token, and here just disable it. And when you will go back, you can see that there's no token here, so just enable it again. And that's how you enable and disable all the tokens from here. You can also search for different other tokens, and on the next option you can see all the NFTs that you will be collecting in future. And you can also receive collectibles by clicking on it and sharing your code with someone who wants to send you an NFT. And on the next option, you can swap cryptos. Suppose you have Solana and you want to convert it into USDT. So just click on here and search for USDT. Then type in the amount of Solana that you want to convert in USDT. And then just click on review order and you will be able to convert your Solana into USDT. That's how this swapping feature works. And on the last tab, you can see all the activities that you will be performing using this app. So you can monitor all the activities from here. Now let's move on. Now let's see how you can stake your Solana and grow it. Click on Solana. And here you will see this option of start earning SOL and click on it. Now you will see different validators. Just choose one according to your preference and then you will be able to stake your Solana and you will earn 10% interest on it. So it is quite a good opportunity to earn Solana using this staking feature. Now let's see how we can buy crypto on Phantom Wallet. So for that, click on buy option and here you can search for your preferred crypto, then click on it and then just type in the amount that you want to purchase, and this amount is in USD. Suppose we want to purchase for 100 USD, then click on 100 and here click on next, and you will be provided with different options to buy crypto from. Either you can buy it from Coinbase or MoonPay or FTX. Just choose according to your convenience and you can buy crypto from these exchanges. Now let's see how we can receive crypto on our Phantom Wallet. And for that, you need to click on deposit. Then suppose we want Solana, so we will click on Solana and we will get this address of Solana. So copy this address and open the exchange of your choice. Suppose I want to send Solana from my Binance account. So I will open up my Binance account, go to my wallet and I will search for Solana here. Then in Solana, I will click on withdraw. And in the address, we will paste our Phantom Wallet address and it will automatically detect the network, which is Solana. Just type in the amount that you want to transfer and then just click on withdraw. And you will be able to receive your Solana on your Phantom Wallet through your Binance account. Now let's see how we can send our crypto from our Phantom Wallet to Binance. And for that, instead of clicking on deposit, we will click on send and select Solana. Now we will need the recipient's Solana address, and for that we will go to our Binance and copy that address from there. Search for Solana, and this time since we want to deposit Solana here, we will click on deposit and not withdraw. So select the network. Make sure that it is the same network as of your Phantom Wallet, so it is Solana, and then you will get the address. Just copy this address and open up your Phantom Wallet. And here click on send, then select Solana and here paste this address. Type in the amount that you want to send and then just click on next, and then you will be able to send your Solana from your Phantom Wallet to your Binance account. Now let's see how we can connect our Phantom Wallet to Web3 websites. Let's take the example of OpenSea. So go to Google and search for OpenSea. Click on OpenSea. And here on the top right corner, you can see wallets. Just click on it. And here in this list, you will be able to see Phantom. So click on it. And then click on connect. Accept and sign. Approve. And that's how you connect your Phantom Wallet to different Web3 websites. And you can also see the websites you are connected to right now on your Phantom Wallet. And for that, open up your Phantom Wallet, click on this top left corner, and here on the trusted apps, you will be able to see the websites you are connected to. So that's how you use Phantom Wallet. I hope this video was insightful. If you need any further help, you can comment down below and our team will be happy to help you. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.